Hello everyone, welcome to Transportation Mode Career End of Course Project 2. My name is Brandon Martinez. This is my transportation career video. Today's date is 7/16/2025 and the mode I have chosen to cover is ocean and the career I have chosen to cover is marine engineer. So a brief description is coming from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So marine engineers and naval architects design, develop, and evaluate the operation of marine vessels, ship machinery, and related equipment such as power supply and propulsion systems. So work here could be onshore or offshore. If we're looking at offshore, it could be on oil rigs, or onshore, it could be at ports or communication centers. So some of the work comes from the government, some comes from private companies. Salary range. So according to ZipRecruiter, a marine engineer earns between $52,500 to $159,000 yearly, and the national-wide average as of July 9th, 2025 is $89,286 yearly. So salary varies due to experience in the industry. It is not very well set, but like all jobs, experience does play a big factor. So why am I interested? So I found this mode of transportation interesting because I have a slight fear of the ocean due to the unknown that is out there. The unknown keeps me curious though as to what can be found next. I also like the advancement on ships that they have gone through over the decades. And the career itself intrigued me because I was always interested in engineering. And I like the fact that you can work private and for the government, or you could choose to work on or off land. It is just a very broad industry that you could work for. So who are companies that hire marine engineers? So there are plenty of companies that offer it, but two of the ones I found were Caterpillar. So their defense division hires marine engineers to work on building and planning out ships for the military. So even though they're a private, they still have a big role in the military sector. And a current position that's available is Marine Application Installation Engineer, that is offered by Caterpillar on Indeed. And then the second one is Dynamo Technologies LLC, and a current position available on Indeed for them is simply Marine Engineer. So what have I learned while researching? So by researching, I have learned that this job can vary in duties that you have to perform daily, and this affects the amount you get paid. Even though experience plays a huge part on the opportunities, the industry you choose will also dictate that pay and the pace that you advance in the industry. So this helps me understand the potential roles I will be dealing with during my transportation career, and it also shows me another option that I could go into and what the education requirements for that will be to get into it. These are the references I use for my research. Thank you for tagging along with my presentation. I will see you around.